Then the very second thing that, when it comes to structure, the very second thing that I want to speak about is something that I never ever thought of before until I became a private practicing dietitian. And it's that we just don't break our goals down enough. When we have a goal, we have like a really big goal. Say, like, I want to lose 10 kgs this year, or I want to grow closer to God this year. But what we forget is that we need to break it down into like smaller goals, like into like things that you can do daily that will actually take you to this goal. Because imagine you were presented an apple or say like a banana, and someone said, eat this in one bite. That's what we're trying to do when we set these goals and we don't have daily steps to help us achieve them. But if I open this banana and I take one bite at a time, eventually I will finish this banana.